Roxy, are you looking for attention? Let me come out there and check on you. Let me check on you. It's only about 105 degrees out. Hey! Hi! Are you happy to see Dad? Yeah? I'm coming over. I'm coming over. Hi! Yeah. What are you doing, my little girl? Huh? Yeah, my little tiger. Hi, tiger. Hi, tiger. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you're doing some jumping, huh? A little acrobat work, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi. I missed you too. Huh? Oh, getting a little scratching. Yeah. You funny girl. Yeah, you are. She's a happy girl. Yeah. I gave you some nice hugs this morning, huh?